you guys, today we are going to create some all-American cheeseburger sliders. As you see, I have made here. If you guys would like to know how to make these all-American cheeseburger sliders, then this is the video for you. Let's get into this video. Okay, today you guys, I'm going to show you how I make my cheeseburger sliders, okay? What you will need is some King Hawaiian rolls, okay? We're not going to use this whole twin pack. We're going to use about 16 of these, okay, to 24. You will need some ground beef or ground turkey meat. Some people like ground chicken, okay? But I'm making ground beef, okay? This is 3 pounds of ground beef that I'm using here. Okay, you will need some shredded cheddar cheese, shredded mozzarella cheese, and you will need some American cheese slices, which is cheddar cheese, okay? You will also need 1 onion. We are going to dice this onion. You will need 3 tablespoons of butter. To the 3 tablespoons of butter, I am going to melt. I added garlic, minced garlic. That's about a tablespoon of minced garlic and a tablespoon of Parmesan cheese. Also, you will need some seasoning salt, but I'm using hamburger seasoning. Okay, the bottle says hamburger seasoning, but it's a basic seasoning salt. And that's about 2 tablespoons of hamburger seasoning, 2 tablespoons of black pepper, and you will need about 1/3 to 1/4 cup of mayo. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so first I'm going to dice my onion. Okay, you guys, so heat you up a pan large enough to hold 3 pounds of ground beef. Place your pan in your skillet at a medium temperature. And we are going to brown the beef. And as we're browning the beef, we will add our seasoning to our beef and our onions. Okay, break your ground beef down like so with a spatula or a fork, a wooden spoon, or whatever you have. And allow it to start cooking. Okay. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and we are going to add our seasoning, which is our 2 tablespoons of black pepper and our 2 tablespoons of hamburger seasoning. If you don't have hamburger seasoning, you can use seasoning salt and garlic powder. Also, we are going to add in our diced onion. And now we are going to stir this together and we are going to brown our ground beef. Okay, everyone, after you have cooked and strained all the oil off of your ground beef for our all-American cheeseburger sliders, we are going to preheat our oven. We're going to hit bake. We're going to preheat our oven to 375, okay? While our oven is preheating to 375, we are going to assemble our sliders. Make sure that you have a pan that's big enough to put your sliders on. like so. I'm using my pizza pan. That's the biggest pan that I have in my home, okay? We're going to take our bread out of the packet like so. Okay, take your King Hawaiian rolls, and you're going to cut them in the middle like so. We're going to do each one like this. Now, if you have an easier way of cutting your slider bread, then that's fine. But this is how I'm going to do mine. And we're going to just cut it down the middle. To our cooked ground beef, we're going to add our mayo. And I'm using 1/4 cup. Remember, it's 1/3 to 1/4 cup of mayo. And we're going to mix this in with our ground beef. Now we're going to add our butter, garlic, parsley, and Parmesan mixture. We're going to melt it in our microwave. It's only going to take about 30 seconds to melt. Now we're going to take our slices and we're going to lay our cheese slices at the bottom parts of our slider bread. Our King Hawaiian roll on the bottom part. Now I have cracker style cheese for the bottom, and I'm able to split it in half and use it for more than one Hawaiian roll. Okay, so now you take a spoon like so, and you're gonna scoop it out, and you're gonna place it on your sliders, okay? Get your bread as close as possible for your sliders. And we're gonna do this for each one. Okay, so now we're gonna add our mozzarella cheese to the top. And remember, place your sliders close together. If you can cut it straight down the middle, then do so, okay? Place your mozzarella cheese all over. Mozzarella cheese is gonna give a great cheese pull, and it's gonna wow your crowd. Now we're gonna add our regular shredded Velveeta cheddar cheese on top of our sliders. Now that we have this done, let's go ahead and let's get ready to place our tops on. Everyone, so now we're gonna take our butter mixture with our garlic and our Parmesan cheese and our parsley, and we're gonna spread it over our cheeseburger sliders. These are all American cheeseburger sliders. Okay, once we have this finished, we're gonna go ahead and place this in our oven, and it shouldn't take us but about 15 minutes and they will be done. Okay, everyone, so our all-American cheeseburger sliders are done. This is an easy, simple recipe that anyone can do at home. You can make this with your kids. You can make these sliders for a game day, party, any event. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm gonna show you what one of the sliders look like on the inside. Okay. Ooh, do you guys see that cheese? That cheese. See that? That's what the cheese does. All American cheeseburger sliders. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave lots of comments down below. And join Cooking with TK again for another video.